Hey friends, welcome back. I'm Bassi, and today I'm sharing a game changer for making money online, Jasper AI. If you've struggled to create high-quality content, Jasper is your new secret weapon. This isn't just another "What is AI" video, it's your expert-level masterclass. I'll show you real examples and steps to earn with Jasper, from blog posts to freelancing. Plus, stick around for a free ebook and PDF guide packed with bonus tools. Ready? Grab a coffee and let's unlock a new stream of income with Jasper AI. So, what is Jasper AI? It's more than a writing assistant. It's your creative co-pilot. Powered by advanced language models, Jasper understands your prompts and generates human-like text with the right tone and context. No coding needed. Just share your ideas, and Jasper helps you expand, rephrase, or brainstorm new angles. It breaks through writer's block and speeds up your content creation. With Jasper, you can generate ideas, draft, and refine, all in one place. This tool lets you create like a team, opening up real opportunities to earn online. Why use Jasper? First, speed. What used to take hours now takes minutes. Jasper helps you outline, draft, and generate ideas, letting you publish more content faster. It's the ultimate cure for writer's block, giving you instant starting points and keeping you in a creative flow. With Jasper, you gain a massive edge. More high-quality content means more opportunities to grow and earn. In today's digital world, the ability to scale content is the ultimate advantage. Let's get practical. Go to the Jasper website and sign up. Just like any online service. Pick a plan that fits. Creator or Pro are great for beginners. Explore the dashboard, templates, recipes, and the document editor. Browse templates for blog intros, YouTube descriptions, and more. Title your document and give Jasper a brief, tone, keywords, and goals. The more context you give, the better the output. Try a witty, informative tone and see how smooth it is. Let's create a high-ranking blog post from scratch. Use Jasper's blog post outline template to instantly build your structure, intro, key points, and conclusion. Guide Jasper with prompts for each section and let it generate clear, concise paragraphs. Focus on target keywords and use Surfer SEO to optimize as you write. Refine the text, add your voice, and ensure keywords fit naturally. In under an hour, you'll have a polished, SEO-friendly article ready to publish. Social media content can be a grind, but Jasper makes it easy. For LinkedIn, prompt Jasper to write an inspiring post, hook, tips, and a question for engagement. For Twitter, use the tweet machine to generate threads on productivity hacks. Repurpose blog content into Instagram captions or tweet threads in seconds. One idea becomes dozens of posts, building your brand everywhere, without burnout. Maximize every idea's value and stay omnipresent online. Selling online. Your sales copy is crucial. Jasper uses proven frameworks like AIDA and PASS to craft persuasive copy, headlines, bullet points, emotional stories, and calls to action. For a digital product, prompt Jasper for attention-grabbing headlines, benefits, and a strong call to buy. I've seen conversion rates triple just by rewriting sales pages with Jasper. Great copy means more sales. Jasper makes it easy, fast, and effective. That's the power of AI-driven copywriting. Your email list is gold, but writing campaigns takes time. Jasper drafts welcome sequences or newsletters in minutes. Just give it your topic and goals, add your personality, and let Jasper handle structure and calls to action. Use its subject line templates to boost open rates and test what works. Better emails mean more engagement and sales, all on autopilot. Let Jasper do the heavy lifting so you can focus on your audience. Why not turn your Jasper skills into a service? Position yourself as an AI-assisted content strategist on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Offer packages, SEO, blog posts, social media content, delivered faster and better than competitors. Wow clients with custom samples generated in minutes. Start with modest rates, build reviews, and quickly raise your prices as demand grows. Jasper lets you deliver more value, faster, and build a profitable freelance business. Ready to scale? Systemize your process with Jasper recipes and workflows for repeat tasks. Build a small team. Delegate drafts to other writers using Jasper, while you focus on strategy and editing. Offer productized services, a full content marketing engine, blogs, social media, emails, all powered by Jasper. Charge premium retainers for complete marketing solutions. You're not just selling words, you're selling outcomes. This is how you grow from freelancer to agency owner. Jasper is just the start. Here are 10 more essential AI tools: Midjourney and DALL-E 3 for images, Descript for editing, Synthesia for AI videos, Surfer SEO for ranking, Murph.ai for voiceovers, and Luca for logos, Copy.ai for writing, Pictory.ai for video, Beautiful.ai for presentations, and Zapier for automation. Each tool opens new ways to earn online. Explore these to expand your digital toolkit. The more tools you master, the more income streams you unlock. We've covered everything from Jasper basics to scaling a content agency. Mastering Jasper is a high-leverage skill, perfect for building your brand, side hustle, or new career. If you found this guide valuable, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which strategy you'll try first. Don't forget your free ebook and PDF guide. Grab them in the description to kickstart your journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.